Hi everyone, this is Team 3 from Triple E. He is Vittal, he is Tilak, I am Nandri Reddy, she is Bhavani and he is Anil. Our project is to develop a low cost plastic recycling system. In everyday life we use so much of plastics, mainly in colleges, schools, in near canteens we use we eat chips and biscuits. The plastic wrappers are thrown outside. It is very harmful to the soil and water. If we burn them, it is also polluted the air and it is very harmful for human life and to the environment. So we need to recycle the plastics. To recycle the plastic, small plastic, we have designed the model. This model is used to melt the plastic and process it into a thin sheet, which is used as sheets like upon placing on a table or in a plates type or beads type. We implemented this project. Improper disposal of plastic leads to the environmental pollution, health hazards to the human beings. A low cost, small scale plastic will be melted using this product. We implemented a chamber which melts the plastic and it presses in the thin sheet to use for several activities.
Source segregation. Waste is separated into plastic and non-plastics. Gaps are many people do not follow the proper rules and recycling plants. Plastics are sorted and reused to make a new product. And gaps is sending the plastics to the recycling plant is costly effective. And plastic ban and awareness program and bans and campaign reduce the plastic use and rules are not so strictly followed in every way. It is the best. Proposal solution. Keep plastic bins at the colleges and schools. Put the separate bins for the plastic and non-plastic waste. Collect the plastic from the plastic bins and make sure the plastic is not mixed with others and waste before the collection. Melt the plastic collected from the school and colleges. Convert the melted plastic into a reversible material.
After we starting control the entire system by reading sensor data and sending signals to the other components.
Working principle of our components. Audio. We are using to control the entire system by reading the sensors and heating element. Heating element we are converts electrical energy into the heat of melt and thermocouple module measure temperature using a thermocouple and sends digital temperature data to Arduino. LCD display shows temperature and system states in the real time. Solid state relay work on the electronic switch the turns and the heating element on or off. And the DC gear motor converts electric energy into mechanical rotation with the torque. And the frame provides mechanical support and structure to hold all components safely.
The project is this is the heating chamber. In this we will be putting all the plastic and this is all the setup. This is microcontroller, relay, temperature sensor, LCD display and battery. These are two switches. These are important in pressing up and down. And the plastic is arranged in the heating chamber and for the heating chamber we will be giving AC supply. And these are the heating elements which will be helpful in heating the chamber. First, the AC supply is given to the heating chamber through the relay. First, the temperature sensor will be sensing the temperature of the heating chamber and it is sent to the microcontroller and it will display on the LCD. When the temperature reaches up to a certain 170 to 180 degrees, the relay will be cut off the supply and the pressing mechanism starts from there. By manual switching method, by pressing the buttons, we can operate the pressing system. After melting the plastic, it is arranged in the thin sheet, the tray, and this tray is linked to the pressing system. And the pressing system which works with on two switches, which is one is for up and one is for down. If we press the down button, the mechanism will be pressing the when we will be pressing the down button, the mechanism will be moving down. down and we will press the plastic which is arranged in the tray, and it will be forming as a thin sheet, and we can use that thin sheet by placing upon the benches or any other objects and etc.
Advantages are low cost system and automatic temperature and helps recycle plastic, easy to build and provides heating and control by automatically turning into the plastic into heat. The disadvantages are suitable only for small scale recycling plastic, and heating process will take more time and requires electricity to operate, and improper temperature controls and the damaged components and needs proper insulation and safety.
And to conclude that our project is a low cost build using only some small components. It is very affordable for low price to melt the plastics, small scale plastics, and to make it into a thin sheet. And that thin sheet is used for several things in our daily life. By this, we can reduce the usage of plastic and pollution caused by the plastic also. Thank you.